KintaMani.
What a beautiful day, Mia.
Yes, Dad, the sky is blue, the trees are green.
We are going to have so much fun today. Where should we go?
Park, 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 I want to play on the swing.
Oh, do you hear that sound, Mia?
What is the sound, Dad?
There seems to be something wrong with our car. We need to stop and check it out.
What happened, Dad?
Let's check it out together. Remember, we always follow the road safety rules and stay with me, okay?
Okay.
Hold my hand, Mia, when we are near the road, okay?
Okay.
Look at each tire. Can you help me check?
Yes. This one looks good.
That's right. Let's check the next one.
Dad, this tire looks different.
You are right, Mia. This tire is flat. See how it's not round and plump like the others.
Why is it flat?
Sometimes tires get holes and the air comes out. It's like when a balloon loses air.
Oh no, can we fix it?
Yes, of course we can. That's what cars have spare tires for. Can you help me change it?
Yes, I'm a good helper.
Friends, today we'll learn how to change the tire together. Are you ready? Let's go!
Yes!
First, we need to get the tools to change the tire and everything we need in the trunk.
What do we need, Dad?
Let me show you. First, we need the spare tire. Can you see it?
It's under here.
Exactly. Let's take it out carefully. It's a little heavy, but I'll lift it. Now we need the special tools. Let's count them together.
Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
This is number 1, the jack. It lifts car up.
It lifts the whole car.
Yes, it's very strong. This is number 2, the lug wrench. It takes off the old bolts.
What are bolts?
See this? It holds the tire on the car. We need to take them off.
What's number 3?
Number 3 is a tire pump. This will help us inflate the spare tire.
This tool is so cool.
Before we lift the car, we need to follow some important safety steps. Can you help me remember them?
Yeah.
First, let's make sure we are on a flat ground. Please check.
Yes, we're on level surface.
Second, we put the car in the park and turn it off. Please check.
Dad, the car's turned off.
Third, we need to make sure that we are at a safe distance from the other cars.
There's no problem with that either.
Perfect, you are doing great. Now, before removing the tire, we need to loosen the bolts a little.
Why do we do that first, Dad?
Great question. Because they are easier to remove when the tire is still on the ground. Let's count the bolts together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. We have loosened all the bolts.
You're very strong, Dad.
And now the fun part. Let's jack up the car.
Really?
Look carefully, Mia. The jack is installed under the special point on the car. See this mark?
Yes, I see it.
Now I turn this handle and watch what happens.
It's going up. The car's floating.
It doesn't quite float, but the jack is very strong. See? The tire is now off the ground.
Wow, that's so cool, Dad.
Now we can remove the flat tire. Remember those 5 bolts we unscrewed?
Yes.
Now we'll remove them completely. Can you hold them so we don't lose them?
Don't worry, Dad. I'll keep them safe. One, two, three, four, five. I have all 5.
Now we pull the tire straight towards ourselves and it starts moving.
Bye-bye, flat tire.
See friends, the tire is completely flat. It can no longer hold air.
What we will do with this tire, Dad?
We'll take it for the tire shop where it can be repaired or recycled. But first, let's install the spare tire.
The new one?
That's right. Can you help me to roll it over?
It's heavy, but I can do it.
Teamwork. Now let's lift it up and align the holes with these bolts. See these holes? They should line up perfectly with the bolt locations.
Like a puzzle.
Exactly, like a puzzle. You are so smart, Mia. Now let's put the bolts back. Can you pass me them one by one?
Sure. Here, number 1.
Thank you, Mia. We put them on a special pattern, like a star.
Why a star, Dad?
To ensure the tire rides smoothly and safely. This is very important.
Here's number 3.
Thank you. Perfect. All 5 bolts are on. Now we can lower the car.
It's coming down.
And now the important things. Tighten the all bolts very, very tightly. We use all our strength to make sure they are super tight. This guarantees the safety of the tire.
I'm helping with my strong muscles.
Yes, you are. You did great job, Mia. Now let's put all the tools back on the truck. What do we need to remove?
The jack.
Right. What else?
The wrench.
Good memory. And we put the flat tire in the trunk too.
All done.
Not quite. We need to pump up this tire now using a tire pump. The spare tire is in the trunk. All the bolts are tightened. The tools are put away. That's it.
Yes.
And one more important point. We need to drive carefully to the tire shop and change the tires as soon as possible. Spare tires just temporary helpers.
Band-aid for the car?
Like a band-aid. You are so clever. We did it. We changed the car tires together.
We're a great team, Dad.
Yes, you are right. And you've been such a good helper. What have we learned today?
We learned that tires could go flat.
That's right. What else?
We learned how to change a tire. We used a jack and a wrench and how to find bolts.
What's the important thing?
Safety first.
That's my girl. Friends, if your family ever gets a flat tire, remember, take care of yourself and work as a team and ask an adult for help. And remember, it's okay if everything goes wrong. We can always solve problems together.
Now let's go to the park.
Let's go. But first, we'll stop at the tire shop. Bye, friends.
Stay safe.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.